Weekly Financial Astrology Forecast for Bitcoin and Crypto Markets, July 29th to August 4th, 2024. This detailed financial astrology forecast offers insights into potential market movements and trader psychology for the upcoming week, focusing on significant news events such as the FOMC Rate Decision and the Non-Farm Payroll. Additionally, we analyze the new moon in Leo on Sunday, August 4th, and its effect on the financial and crypto markets. By understanding the interplay between planetary cycles, human behavior, and market dynamics, traders can make more informed decisions and appreciate astrology's influence on financial markets. In this video, we'll explore overall market sentiment, trader psychology, risk appetite, trading styles, and the most valued and traded assets, with a special focus on Bitcoin. We'll begin with an in-depth analysis of the week's key astrological events and market sentiment. In the second part, we'll provide a daily breakdown of key astrological transits and aspects affecting market behavior, along with a daily market sentiment score. You can navigate through the video chapters using the provided timestamps. If you're interested in monthly forecasts or previous weekly forecasts, links are available in the description box below or at the end of this video. Understanding cosmic influences on financial markets can help you make more informed trading decisions and better grasp the psychological dynamics at play. However, please note that this video does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before investing. Weekly overview and highlights. This week's financial and crypto markets will be significantly influenced by the moon's phases as it transitions through Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, and into Leo. Coupled with the Sun and Venus in Leo, a dynamic and multifaceted market environment will unfold, characterized by changing investor sentiments and trading behaviors. Beginning of the week starts with a waning crescent moon in Taurus, bringing stability and caution to the financial markets as investors favor commodities and blue-chip stocks. They focus on securing their positions with practical decision-making and conservative strategies. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may see reduced volatility as traders adopt a wait-and-see approach. Midweek, as the moon moves into Gemini, financial markets become more dynamic and volatile, encouraging adaptability and quick decision-making. There will be heightened trading activity in tech stocks and cryptocurrencies, driven by a mix of optimism and caution. Later in the week, the moon in Cancer brings a cautious and emotionally driven tone, with investors gravitating towards defensive stocks and safe haven assets, focusing on capital preservation and a conservative approach in the crypto market. End of the week, as the moon enters Leo, market sentiment shifts towards optimism and boldness, encouraging risk-taking and speculative trading in high-growth sectors like technology and innovative industries. This leads to increased trading volumes in cryptocurrencies. The week culminates with a new moon in Leo, marking a significant turning point characterized by heightened confidence and a willingness to embrace new beginnings and opportunities. Investors may pursue aggressive growth strategies and innovative investments, focusing on long-term gains and ambitious financial goals, setting the stage for transformative gains and new ventures in the financial markets. Overall weekly market sentiment score, 7 out of 10. As the Sun and Venus transit Leo, market sentiment turns optimistic. Leo's energy of vitality, confidence, and creativity boosts enthusiasm and a bullish outlook, prompting traders to feel more confident and increase trading volumes and market activity. Leo's traits of boldness and leadership encourage assertive moves and innovative strategies, though caution against impulsiveness is advised. This enhances risk appetite and leads to more speculative trading, especially in volatile markets like cryptocurrencies. Venus in Leo adds glamour and creativity to the markets, emphasizing luxury and entertainment. This fosters a market environment where traders seek investments promising both financial and emotional rewards, with increased interest in sectors like fashion, entertainment, and luxury goods. This creates a vibrant and indulgent market atmosphere that encourages a mix of confident investments and prudent risk management. Conversely, Mercury transiting Virgo brings a methodical and analytical approach to the markets, emphasizing precision, detail, and practicality. This results in cautious market sentiment focused on fundamentals, with traders prioritizing thorough analysis and well-researched decisions. This is characterized by heightened attention to detail and a preference for systematic, data-driven strategies, leading to a generally lower risk appetite as traders aim to minimize risk and ensure the reliability of their investments. Traditional markets may see increased interest in sectors like healthcare, education, and industries requiring meticulous planning and execution, while in the crypto market, projects with strong technical foundations and clear utility may attract more attention, fostering a disciplined and thoughtful trading environment driven by careful analysis and prudent decision-making. Meanwhile, Mars and Jupiter transiting Gemini inject a dynamic and intellectually stimulating energy into the markets, creating a fast-paced and information-driven market sentiment characterized by a heightened sense of curiosity and a drive to explore new opportunities. This encourages quick decision-making, flexibility, and a willingness to engage in diverse trading strategies, with an increased risk appetite as traders capitalize on emerging trends and informational advantages. This leads to heightened activity in sectors related to technology, communication, and data services, fostering a lively and opportunity-filled trading environment, though traders should be mindful of the potential for information overload and hasty decisions. This week, market sentiment scores a 7 out of 10, reflecting cautious optimism as the waning crescent moon transitions from Taurus to Gemini, then Cancer and Leo, culminating in the new moon in Leo on August 4th, which emphasizes introspection, strategic planning, and measured actions. Traders will experience a dynamic mix of boldness and caution, with heightened risk-taking and optimism around July 30th due to the moon's conjunctions with Mars and Jupiter. There will be a shift towards cautious, emotionally driven behaviors as the moon squares Saturn on July 31st and enters Cancer on August 1st. During the waning crescent moon, traders are likely to reassess strategies, focusing on consolidation and preparation for the new moon's new beginnings. Market sentiment is influenced by several key astrological events, including the moon's aspects to Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, indicating periods of volatility and transformation. The trine between the Sun and the North Node suggests a generally optimistic outlook with a focus on growth and long-term strategies. Commodities, tech stocks, precious metals, and cryptocurrencies are expected to see varied movements, with tech stocks and cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, likely favored due to the Sun's supportive aspects. Bitcoin will experience significant fluctuations, with a potential surge in prices around July 30th due to increased buying pressure and optimism, and possible resistance and consolidation on July 31st as the moon squares Saturn. The new moon in Leo on August 4th marks a critical turning point for Bitcoin, signaling new trends and opportunities, making it an ideal time for traders to watch for significant price movements and embrace fresh opportunities in the market. Daily Breakdown Monday, July 29, 2024, Market Sentiment Score, 5 out of 10. The week starts with a waning crescent moon in Taurus, suggesting a practical and stable market environment favoring commodities and blue-chip stocks. At 15:46 Universal Time Coordinated, the moon's conjunction with Uranus may cause sudden changes, particularly in crypto markets, increasing risk appetite. By 20:59 Universal Time Coordinated, the moon's sextile to Neptune fosters idealism, but the void of course moon immediately after advises against executing new trades. The moon entering Gemini at 21:28 brings dynamic and speculative trading energy. Bitcoin may experience volatility due to the moon's conjunction with Uranus, while the sextile to Neptune could boost bullish sentiment through technological advancements or positive news. Overall, the day combines cautious stability with potential innovation and volatility, ending with a shift toward active trading as the moon moves into Gemini. Bitcoin's market sentiment blends cautious introspection with innovative energy. The Sun's transit through the 12th house encourages traders to reflect and reassess, likely resulting in lower trading volumes. The moon in the 10th house draws attention to Bitcoin's public image, causing price swings influenced by news and social media sentiment. Mercury in the 2nd house favors careful financial planning, while Venus in the 1st house adds optimism, encouraging calculated risks. Mars in the 11th house brings innovative energy, driving speculative activities and collaboration. Overall, expect reflective caution balanced with bursts of creative trading, leaning towards cautious optimism. The astrological aspects suggest a dynamic trading environment characterized by strategic reassessment, cautious optimism, and innovative moves, leading to a market sentiment score of 5 out of 10. Tuesday, July 30, 2024, market sentiment score, 6 out of 10. Market sentiment is dynamic and fast-paced due to the moon in Gemini. The moon's conjunctions with Mars and Jupiter bring aggressive and expansive energy, leading to high volatility, especially in tech stocks and cryptocurrencies. A sextile to the Sun supports a positive outlook focused on growth and innovation. Traders show increased risk appetite with the conjunctions to Mars and Jupiter, resulting in aggressive buying and selling. The supportive aspect to the Sun enhances confidence, encouraging bold actions. Bitcoin is likely to see significant price movements, with increased buying pressure and potential for a surge in prices, though traders should be cautious of sudden reversals. The crypto market becomes more active and volatile, driven by news and developments, leading to rapid price movements and short-term trades. The moon in Gemini favors tech stocks and cryptocurrencies, promoting interest in communication, technology, and innovation sectors. Traders exhibit heightened risk appetite and short-term strategies influenced by news, leading to frequent trades and quick decision-making. The dual nature of Gemini brings a mix of optimism and caution among investors, with dynamic energy promoting adaptability and quick responses to market changes. Bitcoin's market dynamics are shaped by a mix of astrological transits, suggesting introspection, cautious optimism, and potential transformative shifts. The Sun's transit through the 12th house encourages mental purification and introspection, leading to a subdued market sentiment with traders reassessing strategies. The Moon's transit through the 11th house emphasizes social connections, making traders more reactive to news and social sentiment, potentially causing volatility. Mercury in the 2nd house highlights cautious financial planning, favoring thorough analysis and long-term considerations. Venus in the 1st house promotes harmony and positive interactions, fostering collaboration within the trading community. Mars and Jupiter in the 11th house bring energy and optimism to social activities, encouraging innovative ideas and new alliances. Significant astrological aspects suggest transformative potential and opportunities for visionary thinking, while underlying tensions warn of caution. Overall, July 30th is characterized by a mix of introspection, cautious optimism, and potential transformative shifts, with traders balancing reflection with innovative and optimistic energy. The market sentiment is 6 out of 10, reflecting a mix of caution, reflection, and positive collaborative efforts. Wednesday, July 31st, 2024, market sentiment score, 7 out of 10. On Wednesday, July 31st, 2024, the moon remains in Gemini, sustaining a dynamic and communicative market environment. The trine to Pluto suggests transformative changes and intense focus, while the square to Saturn may introduce resistance and caution. A sextile to Venus supports a positive and harmonious market sentiment, particularly in tech stocks and cryptocurrencies. Traders exhibit enhanced focus and determination due to the trine to Pluto, leading to strategic actions, but the square to Saturn brings a cautious approach with heightened awareness of potential risks. The sextile to Venus promotes balanced trading, with an emphasis on growth and stability. Bitcoin may face resistance due to the moon's square with Saturn, prompting a conservative trading approach and potential consolidation. However, the trine to Pluto suggests transformative changes, supporting a bullish sentiment if market participants take strategic actions. Overall, expect mixed sentiment with potential for consolidation. The dynamic energy of the moon in Gemini drives heightened interest and speculative trading, especially in Bitcoin and altcoins, with increased activity in tech stocks and industries related to communication and technology. Traders are more active and versatile, adopting short-term, speculative strategies influenced by news and market developments. The dual nature of Gemini brings a mix of optimism and caution, leading to quick decision-making and frequent trades, with market sentiment becoming more volatile as traders react swiftly to external information and market changes. Financial Astrology Forecast for July 31st FOMC Rate Decision. On July 31st, the market sentiment surrounding the FOMC rate decision is cautiously optimistic, scoring a 7 out of 10. Traders' psychology is likely to be a mix of decisiveness and caution. The influence of Venus in Leo suggests a preference for bold moves and high-impact decisions, while the Libra ascendant indicates a need for balanced risk-taking. In terms of the most valued and traded assets, commodities are expected to maintain a stable outlook driven by cautious optimism. Tech stocks are likely to be favored due to the Sun trine North Node and Venus influence in the 10th house, which indicates leadership in innovative sectors. Precious metals are expected to remain stable, with potential gains due to Venus trine Pluto later in the month. The US dollar index, DXY, is likely to see strength due to positive solar aspects, while cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and altcoins, are expected to experience high volatility, with potential bullish movements driven by Mars conjunct Jupiter aspects in mid-August. The nature of the FOMC rate decision news is likely to be received positively, with markets showing a preference for stability and well-communicated policy decisions. The moon in Gemini in the 9th house suggests a strong reaction to communication and information dissemination, with traders valuing clarity and transparency. As such, price movements at the time of the economic news event are expected to be stable with a slight positive bias for commodities, an uptick for tech stocks, and stability with potential gains for precious metals. Cryptocurrencies are expected to exhibit high volatility with potential significant movements based on the perceived long-term impact of the FOMC decision. Overall, the FOMC rate decision on July 31st is expected to bring cautious optimism to the markets, with traders balancing bold moves with a need for stability and clear communication. Tech stocks and cryptocurrencies are likely to be the most valued assets, while commodities and precious metals are expected to remain stable. The DXY is anticipated to strengthen, reflecting positive market sentiment. Thursday, August 1st, 2024, Market Sentiment Score, 6 out of 10. The Moon enters Cancer at 3:19 Universal Time Coordinated, bringing emotional and cautious energy to the markets. The Sun's trine to the North Node supports optimism and long-term strategies. The Moon's sextile to Mercury enhances communication and clarity, though the square to Lilith may introduce emotional turbulence. Traders are more emotionally driven and cautious, with confidence and optimism bolstered by the Sun's trine to the North Node, encouraging long-term planning. Clear communication is supported by the sextile to Mercury, but emotional challenges may arise due to the square to Lilith. Bitcoin may experience mixed sentiments, with the Moon in Cancer promoting a cautious approach while the Sun's trine to the North Node suggests potential for growth. However, emotional turbulence could lead to volatility. The financial markets take on a more cautious tone, with investors gravitating towards defensive stocks and safe haven assets like precious metals. The focus is on capital preservation and avoiding unnecessary risks, with heightened sensitivity to economic data and geopolitical events. In the crypto market, traders prioritize stability, reflecting the protective and conservative energy of Cancer. Today's astrological aspects suggest a transformative period for Bitcoin. Pluto's conjunction with Jupiter and Mercury indicates significant growth potential and intensive market analysis, driving ambition and strategic planning. Neptune's sextile with Jupiter and Uranus trine with Jupiter create opportunities for expansion and innovation, favoring unconventional approaches and technological advancements. However, Neptune's square with Pluto warns of potential confusion and deceptive information, urging caution. The Moon's opposition to Mars and its square with itself hint at emotional volatility, emphasizing the need to avoid impulsive decisions. Favorable aspects like Saturn sextile part of fortune and Mars sextile ascendant support disciplined efforts and bold actions. Venus trine vertex and the Sun's conjunction with the South Node bring harmony and confidence. This mix of cautious reflection and proactive trading creates a balanced outlook. Overall, today's market sentiment score is a 6 out of 10, indicating a moderately positive atmosphere with a good mix of optimism and caution, encouraging traders to capitalize on innovative opportunities while maintaining disciplined strategies. Friday, August 2nd, 2024, market sentiment score, 5 out of 10. The Moon remains in Cancer, sustaining a cautious market environment. The trine to Saturn supports stability and discipline, while the square to Chiron may introduce emotional challenges. The Venus square Uranus aspect at 13:26 Universal Time Coordinated suggests potential for unexpected changes and disruptions, particularly in tech stocks and cryptocurrencies. Traders are likely to be cautious and disciplined, with a stable approach supported by the Moon's trine to Saturn. However, emotional challenges and unexpected changes may cause volatility, especially in high-risk assets. Bitcoin may experience mixed sentiments, with stability promoted by the Moon's trine to Saturn but potential for volatility due to Venus square Uranus. The financial markets favor defensive stocks and safe haven assets, with traders exhibiting cautious behavior and focusing on capital preservation. The influence of Cancer promotes a defensive approach, with heightened sensitivity to economic data and geopolitical events. Traders in the crypto market prioritize stability and risk management, avoiding high-risk trades. This day is characterized by a mix of cautious discipline and potential volatility, with a focus on stability and risk management. The astrological aspects suggest a balanced but cautious market sentiment score of 5 out of 10, indicating a moderately cautious atmosphere with potential for volatility. Bitcoin Financial Astrology for August 2nd, Non-Farm Payroll. Today's astrological influences suggest a dynamic and transformative day for Bitcoin. Pluto's conjunction with Jupiter and Mercury signals growth potential and thorough analysis, driving traders to plan strategically. With Neptune sextile Jupiter and Uranus trine Jupiter, opportunities for innovation and expansion are strong, favoring new technological advancements and unconventional approaches. However, the Moon's opposition to Mars and square to the midheaven indicates emotional volatility and potential market fluctuations. Traders should avoid impulsive decisions based on short-term emotions. Mars sextile ascendant supports disciplined and bold actions. The Sun's conjunction with the South Node and ascendant boost confidence in negotiations and decision-making. Given these mixed influences, today's market sentiment for Bitcoin scores a 5 out of 10. While growth and innovation are possible, emotional volatility and potential confusion suggest traders should approach the day with both optimism and caution, emphasizing the need for strategic planning and disciplined trading to manage potential price swings effectively. Saturday, August 3rd, 2024, market sentiment score, 7 out of 10. On Saturday, August 3rd, 2024, the Moon enters Leo at 11:10 Universal Time Coordinated, bringing more confidence and dynamic energy to the markets. The sextile to Uranus and trine to Neptune support innovation and visionary thinking, though the opposition to Pluto may introduce power struggles and intense emotions. Traders, feeling more confident and bold, are likely to engage in innovative actions, supported by the sextile to Uranus and trine to Neptune. The crypto market gains confidence and optimism, with traders more willing to take risks and engage in speculative activities, especially in high-potential altcoins. For Bitcoin, Pluto's conjunctions with Jupiter and Mercury suggest significant strategic planning and potential growth, leading traders to feel optimistic and confident. Neptune sextile Jupiter and Uranus trine Jupiter indicate opportunities for innovation and embracing new technologies, potentially driving Bitcoin's value up. However, Venus opposing Venus and the Moon's opposition to Jupiter and Mercury introduce potential conflicts in values, which could result in market fluctuations. The supportive aspects of Mars sextile the South Node and Ascendant, as well as Venus trine Vertex and Lilith, encourage decisive actions and supportive partnerships. Overall, today's market sentiment for Bitcoin scores a 7 out of 10. While the potential for growth and innovation is strong, the emotional volatility and conflicts in values suggest caution, advising traders to remain vigilant and avoid impulsive decisions. Sunday, August 4, 2024, Market Sentiment Score, 7 out of 10. On Sunday, August 4, 2024, the new moon in Leo at 11:12 Universal Time Coordinated signifies a turning point, infusing the markets with fresh energy and new beginnings. The sextile to Jupiter enhances optimism and growth. This alignment encourages traders to embrace new initiatives with confidence and boldness. The quincunx to Neptune adds idealism, inspiring innovative and forward-thinking strategies. Bitcoin is poised for significant movements, as the new moon in Leo brings bullish sentiment and potential for substantial gains, albeit with some volatility due to Neptune's idealistic influence. Financial markets experience heightened confidence and a focus on new opportunities, with investors likely to pursue growth strategies and innovative investments. For Bitcoin, the new moon in Leo at 12 degrees 34 minutes brings a dynamic and energetic atmosphere, ideal for new projects and bold financial moves. The sun and moon in the first house boost confidence and visibility, suggesting a favorable time for advancements. Key aspects include Pluto conjunct Jupiter and Mercury, signifying deep strategic thinking and transformative ideas, Neptune sextile Jupiter, promoting optimism and visionary projects, and Uranus trine Jupiter, supporting innovation and unexpected opportunities. However, Neptune square with Pluto advises caution due to potential confusion, and Venus opposition to Venus may introduce short-term volatility in consumer markets. Overall, the new moon's influence is largely positive, with a market sentiment score of 7 out of 10, suggesting a favorable environment for Bitcoin and other innovative sectors, tempered by careful consideration of possible deceptive information and short-term fluctuations. This concludes our weekly forecast. Happy trading! See you next time.